pansin mo, kinakabahan ako. Diba? Kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ako nakakaramdam ng kaba. Kasi alam ko, sure ako, ganito talaga siguro kasi yun. Tama. Yan. Tama kasi na ikaw, yung habang buhay ko makakasama. Yun yung gusto ko.
From the stories old, let the truth be told. Getting lost in all the wonder, and it's singing on and on. What's in my head, falling free like a simple song by ecstasy. It won't let up, on and on, a familiar sound calling home.
14 years and 9 months na tayo nagbabatian every 13th of the month. And finally, starting today, masa-celebrate na natin ang date na to as husband and wife. Binabalikan ko ang almost 15 years natin na magkasama at isa lang paulit-ulit kong tatanong. Ano kaya ang good deed na nagawa ko sa past life ko para bigyan ako ni Lord ng isang katulad?
Just one step, I hold my breath into the depth with you. Can you see my heart skip beats right on my sleeve?
Joffel, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Reggie na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at maalituntunin ng kanyang banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Reggie, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Joffel na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at maalituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Do it all for you. Do it all for you. Darling, it's true.
14 years na tayo, Ola, ang itatawag ko sa'yo, kundi, husband.
Every step I do.
Hola, wife. Thank you so much for everything. I love you.
Sabi ko,
Sada! Thank you.
When two hearts meet in the golden light, it's like a dream come to life. It's just you and me as the years go by with every season change.
pangako ko, buong sikap kong itataguyod at susuportahan ka. Pangako ko na magiging ako. Kasi minahal kita doon, mas mahal kita ngayon, mamahalin kita hanggang sa huling mga mo.
Do it all for you. Every breath, every move, every step I do it all for you. I do it all for you.
Thank you for loving me unconditionally, for not trying to change who I am. but choosing to love who I was and who I am now. Nangangako ako na gagawin ko ang aking makakaya para punuin ang iyong puso ng saya at tawanan. Gaya na papaligaya mo sa akin araw-araw. Paulit-ulit, ikaw ang aking pipiliin.
And Reggie, you know what to do.